Is it just so cozy? Is it cozy, baby? This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business.
Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'm looking right at bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue.
Beautiful. You're my wife.
Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you there. And people come and people go, but it don't matter, 'cause I know as long as I have you, then I don't care. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true. Try not to get ahead, but you know how I get. Still, I'll wait patiently. I'll just see you forever in my life, and I see myself wearing white. Baby, don't you think that sounds nice? And I still just don't understand that night when you took my hand. I never fell in love so fast. And what I thought I never could deserve, you gave me 'cause you knew my worth. And I can't thank you enough for that. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true.
Hey baby, I just wanted to let you know that I didn't see your text, and I love you. Good night. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll talk to you in the morning, baby. I love you. Love you. Good night.
Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true. Time I met you, didn't have a clue.
Look at me.
what
You're so cute. Your hair is so cute.
to me. Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you there.
So really quickly, I want to talk about Squarespace. I mentioned Squarespace in the beginning of the video, and I kind of just want to touch in a little bit more about what Squarespace is and has to offer. Some highlights I want to touch on that are really cool to me are blogging tools, the workflow, and the traffic overview. Squarespace blogging tools include sharing your story, sharing your updates, and post photos and videos. And you can categorize, share, and schedule your posts to make them work for you. The workflow is really good because you can set post entries in published, draft, scheduled, or if you want to review it, you can put it into need review. Entry scheduling lets you schedule posts for the future, which is really convenient, so you can get everything ready so that when it's time, your stuff can post onto your website. You can see how your visits and page views trend over time and kind of just gain insight onto the top traffic source, you know, what's the most popular thing on your website, all of that. You can gain insight into top traffic sources such as if you're looking to build a website or a store or anything online, you guys should definitely use Squarespace. Just go to squarespace.com for your free trial. And when you're ready to launch, just go to squarespace.com/Olivia Messler for 10% off of your first purchase of your website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not sure where I was going with this video. It was definitely a different one, but let me know if you enjoyed it or if you just want the regular vlogs. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!